Dr. Seema Surana, consultant gynecologist and obstetricians and attached to Techno India Dharma Hospital. So we all know that this is Breast Cancer Awareness Month and 13th October is regarded as Breast Cancer Awareness Day. As we all know that incidence of breast cancer in our country is around 14 to 15% and the mortality rate is around 50% because of lot of reasons. So why the awareness is important? Awareness is important so that the patient is aware of the symptoms. We can make the patient aware about the risk factors involved, the ways to prevent the cancer, and also we can educate patient about the methods of early detection, as well as we can tell them about how we can support the patients already affected. Though we have a Breast Cancer Awareness Day, but then I think that this awareness should be throughout the year because every day the cases are rising. Now coming to the methods of awareness, the common symptoms which patients should be aware of is finding an abnormal lump in the breast. There is any discharge from the nipple or color change, suddenly there is indrawing of nipple or increased vascularity in the breast. So the patient should be aware of all these symptoms. Now coming to the risk factors, what are the common risk factors? Most important, if there is a strong family history, then the risk factors are, as we all know, increased weight increases risk of cancers, increased alcohol, smoking, as well as certain medicines like long-term intake of oral contraceptive pills after the age of 40 put you at risk. Now some patients who have early menarche or late menopause, that means those who are exposed to the hormone for a long time, they are at increased risk. Coming to the methods of prevention. So knowing the risk factor, we can make patients aware about the weight loss, following a healthy diet, cutting down on smoking and stopping even alcoholism, and also the testing for certain genetic diseases. Now coming to how can we go for early detection? Early detection can be done clinically by breast self-examination. There are so many awareness videos, it is so important. Then clinical examination with your consultant gynecologist or surgeon, and also screening mammography. Now it is usually recommended above the age of 40 and every 1 to 2 years. Now this can vary depending on how high risk factors you are carrying with you. And then after early detection, the treatment, so that we can start early treatment. But then one of the most important thing is supporting the people, women who are already affected by breast cancer, because it is one of the most common cancer in our country these days. So how can we support them? By helping them with research work, so that better treatment is available, and psychological, moral support, even financial support is important. So that is why this breast cancer awareness is so important, so that we can handle all the risk factors and early treatment and better treatment can be done. Thank you.